This is actually a dish that I used to make very often in the summertime. It uses summer vegetables and it's very refreshing and very delicious. Made even more delicious if you have a nice piece of crusty bread to eat with it. This is pretty much the exact recipe that I made, only with some minor changes. Start with very ripe, delicious tomatoes. You don't need to bother de-seeding these or anything. Just take out the core and just cut them into big chunks directly into your blender. I'm going to leave this little tomato out for now. About 3 scallions. These are 2 lemon cucumbers. And I'm leaving this one intact. And we have a bell pepper. Red is actually a little better than green for this application, but it's a little early still in the season for red bell peppers. I'm going to leave this whole and mince this. Now for the liquid component, if this were a cooked dish, I would use chicken broth, but I can't because it's raw food week. So I'm just going to use fresh lime juice. Traditionally, I think it's lemon, but limes were super cheap at the Korean market. They were like 20 for $1. Extra virgin olive oil. About a tablespoon or 2 of that. Sea salt. It's okay if it's a little bit chunky. In fact, you kind of want that. Now I have this gorgeous fresh basil I'm going to add. This is really in many ways just a savory smoothie. We'll save this for garnish. That's the stuff. Nostalgic. I haven't had this in years. Pour it into a container, because it's best if it's chilled, and I'm going to need to use this blender for like 3 or 4 other dishes that I'm going to be making during this raw food week. And this tomato, cucumber, and pepper that you reserved, just dice those and put those in fresh. Adds some nice texture, and it makes you feel like you're actually eating something. And chill it.